Okay, YouTubers, I'm going to show you how to hook up a Badland wireless winch controller to a Smittybilt winch / Warren, whatever. I'm sharing this because I couldn't find a video on YouTube to help me, because evidently they've changed the wire colors. So what we've got is the red wire is to your wireless controller. It goes to yellow. The green is your forward motion, goes to your blue, and your white goes to your brown, which is your reverse. And you'll have a black wire, which I put a terminal on, that goes to your ground. And as you can tell, it works perfect. Response time is great. Thank you for watching.